So sometimes you are going to want to see more than one thing on your screen at the same time. For example, your work, the directions, and a video showing you how to do it. Well, this video that I'm making right now for you is going to show you a couple things that you can install. They're extensions that will make that a whole lot easier. So the way I want you to do that is you may click on, you're looking at this document probably, um, click on these two links, or you can go to the Chrome Web Store. That's what this is right here. And just do a search for tab scissors or tab glue. So you're going to search for that maybe, or maybe you're looking at this screen. Either way, you just click Add to Chrome, and it is that easy to add these to your browser. So it's added to the Chrome browser, and you can see this little guy right here. And the other way to do it would be if you did a search for it, you could just click Add to Chrome right there, and you need to do that as well. And now you see this here. So now you can see that it says Added. And here's where you would do that. Let's say you wanted to have your work over here and directions over here. What tab scissors is going to do is it's going to cut apart your tabs right starting at the one that you have selected. So here's a demo. Right there, you click tab scissors, and now you see your work, and over here is the directions or the video demonstrating it. If you're done with that, you can click glue tabs, and it puts them back together. And in fact, I had another window open and it put those together too, and that's okay. Just be aware of that. If you didn't want that, you would want to take this and minimize that, and then it would not participate in those gluing back together. So that's tab scissors and tab glue.